Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Task Manager in Windows. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Let's dive right in. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape button together in your keyboard. And this will open Task Manager instantly. You have to right click here and then you have to choose Task Manager. So using the keyboard is more easy, right? So I'm gonna do it again. Ctrl, Shift and Escape. You can minimize the tools and expand the tools as you will. Now you can see different tabs. The Processes tab shows all the apps and background processes running on your computer. Here you can end task by selecting an app and clicking end task. Suppose I'm gonna end this app. You can see that the app is closed right now. The Performance tab shows real-time stats on your CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. It's great for monitoring your computer's performance. The Startup tab helps you manage which programs start when your computer boots up. If you see programs you don't need, you can disable them to speed up startup time. I'm gonna choose this one. Here you can see that it is disabled right now. In the User tab, you can see which users are currently logged in and their resource usage. Here you can see that I have logged in. The Details and Services tabs are for more advanced users, where you can dig deeper into individual processes and system services. That's how you use Task Manager to manage tasks, monitor performance, and optimize startup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also don't forget to drop a like. See you next time.